Have you ever been working on a group assignment, searching for a room to convene in, and there's just no space in the library? You've scanned the library room booking website in search of a room, but it's just booked out for days. So there you are, wandering around the floors of the university library with your group. But then you spy one of the rooms you'd been hoping to book, with no one in it. You look at the time. It's 12 minutes past the hour. You know about the 15-minute rule, but what if the original bookers turn up before then? You'd rather avoid a confrontation, and so off you go with your group, back to the drawing board in search of another room. I, Thomas, together with my team members Kubana and Hanoshin, have created the solution to this vexing issue. The solution consists of a system of sensors that are embedded into each target room. They, through the use of camera, sound and temperature data, detect whether or not that particular room is currently being occupied, or if it is instead vacant. Synced to the QUT website and servers, it will keep track of the bookings made for the room, and should a room be unoccupied for the first 15 minutes of the booking, or be unoccupied for more than 15 minutes at all, it will be marked as unbooked, and be once more available to those who desire to use it. Through the use of the mobile application linked to the sensor-connected network, students will be able to see for what length of time a room has been unoccupied, and so remove any fears of confrontation should they decide to make of this unused room. In addition, rather than having to go through the website, students can book the room on the spot through the app for up to 2 weeks in advance, as well as being able to scan a QR code at the front of the door. For example, here I am, a student, looking for a room for group work, but rather than book it for this current day, I would like to book it for several days in advance. So I decide on the room I'd like to pick, I click on it, which takes me to this screen here, which I can see the bookings for this particular room for the next 2 weeks. I find the right time, click on it, proceed to this screen to confirm the details of the booking. 2 days later, however, one of the 3 group members cancels, and so my group has decided to no longer meet. I now, through the app, have the ability to view the bookings I've made and have the ability to now cancel one, the one no longer wanted, leaving the booking open then for others. The system is also built for the ease of maintainability, with users being able to lodge support tickets in case of malfunctioning or incorrectly displayed data. It is also quite useful for the university itself, which implements it, as they will have access to the statistics generated through the usage of the app and occupation statuses. From this, improvements will be able to be made and conclusions drawn based on this data, making for a better overall experience for both the students and the university. Thank you for listening to the pitch.